Pagka tinanong mo ang kabataan, well, through the years naman ganun talaga, madami talaga nangangarap na maging pop group or member of a pop group, ano. But especially now na meron tayong SB19 na binanggit nyo naman, na global na din ang vision nila for themselves and for Filipino music. Recently, nagkaroon ng news na mag-o-offer ng study about Taylor Swift's career sa UP to, ha. And there are also plans na mag-offer ng studies about the career trajectory of SB19. Pag matuloy ba yun, mag-e-enroll kayo? And I think the more serious question, yun muna. Pag natuloy ba yun, mag-e-enroll kayo?
Ito po ba yun sa Pinas?
Yeah, sa Pinas. Sa UP.
Yes, of course. There's always room for improvement naman po talaga. And of course, dream po namin na talagang mas mapaganda pa po yung mga performances po namin for the future.
But do you think it's necessary? Ito yung more serious question ko about it, na parang sa Korea kasi talagang professionalized yan eh. Pero dito sa Pinas, parang hindi pa din maliwanag on how to become, on how to succeed in the music business. So kayo, ang tagal nyo na din namang nagtatry sa music industry. Do you think it could help kung may ganun lang study, like pag-aralan ng karera ng how SB19 did it, their music?
Yeah. I think po it's necessary to learn more, and sabi nga, learning is a lifetime process. So it's necessary at the same time. I want to speak in behalf of Irene that parang nagtatapo siya na wala kaming supporta na receive. For me, it's not about it. I think sa industry naman po natin, di ba, it's who you know, it's not what you know. So sometimes nakaka-frustrate lang that we do everything para, sabi nyo nga po, buong buhay namin, binigay na namin ito sa talent namin na ito. So we're in the level or stage na sinabi namin sa sarili namin na si Lord na lang, surrender na lang namin. And finally, sana itong music na ito mag-work siya, yung piniprepare niya. But according to your answer, yes, it's necessary to take more lessons to improve your career or matuto kung saan papunta yung career mo. But I think it's also important to let others, especially the networks and, diba, sila yung may power to give exposures to this newbies, P-pop groups. Kasi kami, it's just happened that group kami magkakapatid, but so we fell under the P-pop group category. But I think I'm asking a petition or nananawagan po ako sa mga networks na I think, you know, when you've given a lot of people opportunity to perform and show their talents, diba, parang I think it's gonna help. Not just learning, you have the career and you learn the process na magsikat ka or masucceed ka, but when you don't have something connection that will give you, diba, the spotlight to do that, mahihirapan ka. So that's what happens.
An avenue, siguro yung sinasabi mo, parang place to show your talent din po. Yun po, isa din po sa important.
Connection avenue, maybe a little bit of formal education, yes, about how things work. Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, our next question will be